Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old but a goodie, welcome back. So today I'm coming with a spring Shein haul. Everything, sizes, links, and everything will be in the description box. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So our first item is this crop top here, this green. I don't really own anything this color, so I was excited to try it out. I kind of like how it looks on my skin tone, so it's bringing me out of my comfort zone a little bit. I wear a lot of whites and, like, you know, not really much of these colors, but I definitely like this color on my skin tone. So it's not really a crop material, but it is kind of crop. So this is how it looks. You will see the try-on video as well. It doesn't really have a square top, but when I put it on, I feel like it's showing like right here, and I don't really like that. But I fixed it a little bit to make it work. But it's really nice. Quality is very good. It's very stretchy as well. Long sleeve. You know, in the spring it's like kind of warm, but some days it's kind of chilly. So this is like one of the perfect tops to wear throughout the spring. I love the colors. Definitely saying spring. Nice and subtle, which just fits me. I don't really like loud colors, but this is really nice. I like this top here. You'll see how it looks in the try on section as well. Overall, the quality and everything, I would definitely give this like a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, somewhere there. It's really nice. It's just a basic top. So y'all, when I like something, I get it in every color. So I like that one so much. I got it in white as well. I love a basic white top. Like, every time I order something, I always order like a basic white top. I don't know what it is. I just like white tops. And so yeah, so this is the same shirt, just in white. The only thing with this one, I mean, I don't know if you could see it a little bit in the try-on portion. I think I got a little closer to show you, like, it's a little see-through. Now, I had a black bra on, but you can't really tell. If you're looking real hard, you can tell. But definitely like it, love it, love it, love it. These I could definitely you could pair these with jeans. In the trying portion, I kept the same jeans on just because it wasn't really a styling video. It was just me trying stuff on. But for these tops, you could pair these with jeans, sweats. I've been into sweatpants lately, so definitely some nice sweats with these nice little crop top, especially the sweats that come up like high-waisted. Really like those, you know, to hide the little fupa. But yeah, this is really nice and cute as well. All right, y'all, so this is kind of the same style, but it's a different material. But it looks like the same shirt. So this here is the purple to it, but the material for this one is totally different. This one, it's not see-through, but the material is different. Polyester, 97 polyester. This don't even feel like polyester. It feels like a cotton material, so that's weird. But the material on this one is definitely different from how it was on the other two. Other two shirts were more cotton material. This one, it says it's 97 polyester. Don't really feel polyester that much, but yeah, that makes it feels a little bit different. For this one, it is a little bit more cropped, same type of, you know, spirally detail at the neck area and also at the end at your wrist as well. Really nice as well. Love the color. Don't really own anything this color, so I'm like, why not go ahead and try it? I'm trying to expand my closet and give myself different, you know, color and variety, so I'm not really like predictable with my basic whites. So yeah, I love this top. Again, it seems like it's the same shirt. I mean, it kind of is, but when I like something, I like to stick to it. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below and let me know if you're the same way. All right, so the next one is this here shirt that I have on. Is just also a basic white, but it's not that basic though, because the zipper in the middle gives you options, different options to wear it. So for my subtle girls, you can just pull it down a little bit here. You can you know, zip it all the way up, nice and subtle. The zipper gives you like 3 different ways that you can wear this, 3 or 4 different ways that you can wear it. It's just up to you and whatever you're comfortable with. But as for me, honey, this is it right here. It also says babe right here, you know, because I'm a babe, period. Nice. It's very comfortable. I will say this one is cotton material as well. Very nice and comfortable. It's not see-through. You know those white clothes that you can see through? This is not that, boo. This is real thick, good quality. Shein is definitely stepping up their game as far as quality with some things. I'm telling y'all, read the description to read the type of material. that makes up the clothing, and you will never miss, honey. You will never miss. So I really love this. It's so soft, hence why I chose it to do the video in. It just feels so good. It is kind of cropped, so it is kind of shorter, but again, high-waisted jeans is kind of what I paired it with, or some sweats. You could dress it up or dress it down, you know. It's just your preferences. Like stuff that you can switch up. You can, like, you know, make it a little bit dressy, and then you can make it real casual. So this is one of those. Definitely however you want to take it. Jeans to make it a little dressy, but then sweatpants also with some sneakers. Girl, that's it right there. I didn't even know I ordered all these tops until I was trying them on. I was like, whoa. But don't click off. It's not all tops, I promise. We're just getting the tops out the way, honey. So the next one is this here. As you can see, clearly I had a thing when I was shopping for these. It's the same detail in the neck area, round neck kind of. Also with this one though, the arms, so if you have long arms, this is for you, because this was really a little longer on my arms than usual, but for me it was the detailed, all the different colors, the symmetry and everything of the shirt. I really liked it. It's different. It brings something new to my closet that I haven't tried before. I love the colors and everything. You know, I'm a very like soft color girl, so this here, I mean, when I want to be, but the mood that I'm in recently is this here. Just a nice subtle blue. Blue is my favorite color, and you have this nice little purple and everything. It just complements everything about it. Very stretchy, very stretchy. All right, so this next top is also a purple top. So cute. Now for this top, I didn't remember how they tied it on the website, so I kind of like made up my own thing. I showed you different ways how you can wear it. It is a wrap shirt, so you will wrap it however you want it. I kind of like that because then it gives you the freedom to like freestyle, make it your own. I definitely did, so I made it like, you know, if you ever seen the Tik Tok trick where you wrap it under your bra to disguise your bra a little bit. I like that way better. You can also wrap it around your stomach area. You have a bunch of different ways. Once you get it, you'll just figure out how you want to wear it. Again, soft material, feels like cotton, feels really nice, not see-through or anything like that. It is on a crop side as well, so for my ladies who are like, you know, a little conscious about the stomach area, definitely high-waisted. Clearly high-waisted is our best friend right now. And or some sweatpants. I'm telling y'all, sweatpants just be so comfortable lately. That's all I want to put on. But yeah, so this top is very nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so the next top, the second to last top, y'all, is this here mint green. Is this mint green or sage color? So it's off the shoulder, nice fluffy long sleeves. I think that's my favorite part. I love me like a fluffy arm thing, like shirt. I love it. It's just big. And for my girls who are worried about like their arms, if your arm is bigger, we got stretch, honey. We don't have to size up for that. It stretches, so you don't got to worry about being too tight on your arm or anything like that. For me, because my bust is bigger, I didn't in the try-on portion, I didn't try this one with any bra. So if you're seeing them look a little, that's because I ain't gonna wrong. But anyway, feel free to wear a half a bra. I'll probably actually wear this with a half a bra. But I love it. My favorite part are the arms. They are a little longer than my little short arms, but I love it. I love the color. I just love everything that it's given. It's given everything that it needs to give. It's doing the job that they said it was supposed to do, okay? It's giving what it was supposed to do. It's giving what it was supposed to give, okay? So yeah, love this top here. Quality, everything, like nice quality. Like nobody can tell me that I got this from Shein. No shade on Shein, I'm just saying, baby, this is Zara material, okay? Get with it. Not for Zara price though. Alright, y'all, so the last top finally that we got was this. I love browns, but this is more like fall, you know, but I had to get it. Why? Because we rep in Philly, in Philadelphia, y'all. So if you don't know, I live in Philly, period. Philly. I love the color, honestly. I love the color. I would probably not wear it right now. I wouldn't wear it right now. I'll probably wear it like in the fall or something like that. So I'm definitely saving this. It's just a nice sweatshirt, very warm, very soft and everything like that. Honestly, only got it because it's in Philadelphia. Like I couldn't pass it up because I hardly see like Philly on the shirts, unless it's like the sports team or something like that. But I had to get it. I had to represent for my city, period. All right, y'all, this is where the haul about to take a turn, honey, because this is when I started experimenting, child. I should have just left it alone, but I feel like it can work though. So let me know what y'all think down below. Anyway, so I saw this dress. It's very springy. I didn't have anybody to like zip it up while I was trying this on, so if it looks funny, that's because the back wasn't zipped up all the way. But use your imagination of how it would look. So this here is a nice little long sleeve dress. Okay, it comes up all the way to the neck area and everything like that. I feel like you can't really see it, so I'll just show you in the try-on portion, but it's really nice. I love the colors, and for someone who are like, hey, I love subtle colors, I don't know, it's something about this that just screams Easter. I don't know, like it just looks so nice. I feel like I'm going on a little fancy little brunch date or something with my girls or something. I don't know, y'all. I like it. It's different from what I'm used to, but I definitely love it. Not sure where I'll wear it to right this minute, but definitely I love it. I love the colors. I love it. I feel like the dress is speaking for itself, so I could like wear some nude heels, but then like a nice little clear bag or something like that to like, you know, don't overdo it with accessories, because the dress is loud. Well, actually loud for me. I don't know about you, but it's loud for me. But I like it. Do y'all like it? Let me know down below. I like it. I don't know. Fit. Let's talk about the fit though. The fit, it fits well. Closer to like the end, it was a little tight. But I think it was fine. It wasn't like, oh my god, I can't wear it. It's cool. It's, you know, makes me feel secure. So overall, the sizing and everything was perfect. I think I got it in a 2X, but like I said, everything will be in the description box below. So we're still kind of making a turn. This dress on the model looks nice. I've seen people in this dress and I like it, but I don't know, maybe it's not for me. Everybody that I've seen in the dress is definitely taller than me, so maybe that's it. Maybe I'm too short for it, but I love the color, like blue. I just love a nice little baby blue. Like, it's so beautiful. The color is beautiful, but I just don't like how it fits me. I don't like how it fits my body. I look like a grandma. I don't know. I look like somebody's mom, like not no young mom. Like, I look like somebody's grandma. It's not giving. It's not giving. Like, I don't know. I love the dress, but maybe I need to do some alterations, tighten it a little bit, maybe wear a belt to cinch my waist. It's just not doing anything for my body. I just look, I don't know. It has a split though. I thought that was cute. You know I love splits. You don't know? Well, now you know, because I love me a nice little split. But maybe I'm too short for the dress. Maybe if I wear it with heels or something, maybe I should have tried it on with heels and see. But I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to probably pair it with a belt. I don't know. Dress it up. But I really like it. I just don't like how it looks on me right now. But once I play around with it, I'll figure it out. Follow me on Instagram, because I'm definitely going to hunt down a style for this dress. I love it. I love the color. Everything about it. In the back, I even tried it on backwards to see how it would look. So in the back, it has a scrunchy material. I put that in the front. I don't know. I was just playing around to see like what way do I like it the most. And child, I don't know, but I love it, but it just don't look right on me, so I don't know. Ooh, child, remember I said it was the last shirt. Sorry y'all, I missed one. So here's this brown shirt here, also a fall color, not necessarily a spring, but I like it. Same type of shirt, just a different print. I really like this brown. Once upon a time, brown was my favorite color, and everything that I wore was brown. Like literally everything that I owned at that point. Maybe I was like 16. Everything was brown. I don't know, but I still like it. I don't wear it as much anymore, but I like it. This one is very cropped, like under boob crop. So I don't know. I don't know. High-waisted, yes, but I don't know if I will wear this out just yet, because it's really cropped. But yeah, sorry about that. I thought that was the last shirt. This is the last shirt now. So we have one more item left. All right, y'all, so one more item. I probably had this item in my Shein cart for like a year now, and I just like, I don't know if I want it. I don't know how to repair it, but I finally caved and got it. So this here, it just reminds me of like a schoolgirl skirt. Like, I don't know. I can see myself wearing this with, I paired it with a crop top. The top isn't from Shein, but the bottom is the star of the show. And I probably wear this with some Air Force with the socks high. Not high up to my knees, but like higher than the shoes a little bit. Halfway up. I don't know. I would definitely wear this like schoolgirl type with my little bag or something. I don't know, but I really like this skirt. I don't know what it is about it. It's a little tight, but it's fine, sis. It's fine. We gonna wear it still. But it's cute. I don't know, I love it. And for my girls who are like, you know, have a butt or something like that, it's not that short. It doesn't come up, you know, some skirt they be like long in the front and then the back is like, oh Jesus, it's too short. No, I feel like this is a nice even length, and maybe because I'm short, but I don't know. But the quality feels good. This again, Shein, hello, great job with this one. Great quality and everything like that, y'all. I just love it. I can't wait. This is probably my favorite one throughout the haul, one of. But I'm excited to like really style this. I don't know yet. I wish I had some like Jordans. I can see these with some like Jordans, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get some Jordans. Just, I don't know, sis. We budgeted over here, so I don't know about that. But this is really, really cute. So guys, that is the end of this Shein haul. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Comment down below. Tell me which one was your favorite. I know I had a lot of tops, and I prefer, like, my favorite type of videos are styling videos, but y'all, I leave for vacation tomorrow, so I really didn't have time to style these. Please forgive me. So I just had to give y'all a little quick try on portion. Hopefully you enjoyed though. Comment down below, like I said, let me know which piece was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know which piece was your favorite, or just drop a compliment down below. If you're not already subscribed, sis, what you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Enjoy our day one family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.